All right, so I have modeled this whole temple, as you can see, with just polygons here, right? And I clicked everything to, I had the snap on to the grids here, everything. So everything is spaced out evenly and perfect and is perfectly inlined, right? And just to kind of go over things, I made the gears, right? And I looked at the photos, and it looks like there's a room in the center with 2 layers of pillars on both sides. So I did that, and I used the cube for the center, and I made cubes for steps, right? Where I have 3 steps. And then I used 2 different cubes for the roof, where I have a cube here and a cube here, right? And then I used a prism for the top, which I had to do some rotation on, right? And then I went through and I put everything into layers so I can easily go through and click off the layers if I wanted to, right? And I left the room out of the layer, but what I did is over here on the outliner, I went ahead and wrote room so I know which cube it is right here. Okay, so this is just helping with organization here. So I can kind of bring it all back. Now, if you can't remember how to do this, I will show you. I'll take away the columns here and delete this. Okay, and let's say I want to get the columns back. It's really quite easy. I have the outliner open. All right, so if it's not open, go ahead and open that. And I select all the gears, which of course you can always rename these if you'd like. And then I hit this button right here, which if you hover over it, says create new layer and assign select items. So I'm going to click that, double click on this to rename this columns. Click save, and now I have columns all in one layer. All right, and this is for organization purposes, which is helpful now and in the future as we continue to model, so we can select those pretty quickly.